In this video, I'm going to go through how to use the Fibonacci tool and Elliot waves to trade Bitcoin. So on this trading graph, we have the Bitcoin to USD trading graph, and it's on the Bitstamp exchange. And just before we start doing anything, we need to see where we are in the market cycle. So very clearly, we are in the corrective market cycle, and it seems to be that we are nearing the end of the market cycle. And since we are in the corrective market cycle, during these times we use the Fibonacci retracement tool. If we are in a bull run, then we typically use the trend-based Fibonacci extension tool. But since we are in the corrective wave, we will use the Fibonacci retracement. And the way that I will use the Fibonacci retracement is that I will see where we were from the top. So that will be the 19,600 range that was established in December. And I will extrapolate this Fibonacci retracement tool to the very first corrective wave. So it went from 19,000 all the way down to around 11,000. So I will end the Fibonacci retracement tool on this 11,000 range. And you can see very clearly that there are a few scenarios where Bitcoin really went right on the Fibonacci level. So from this corrective wave, it bounced right off and then went on to the zero point 0.5 Fibonacci level, and then bounced right off that, and then went on to the 0.236, and then bounced right off of the 0.236, and then went on to the 0.618. Bounced right off, and then the market sort of didn't know what to do. It traded between the 0.382 and the 0.236, but eventually it bounced right off and then went on to the golden pocket. The golden pocket is the 0.65 and the 0.618. So in between these two Fibonacci regions, the 0.618 is the golden ratio. So you can sort of go on Google and see why this is the golden ratio. But a lot of traders, they trade on the 0.618 Fibonacci level, and then it sort of retraced down to the 0.236 and then traded between this level and the 0.382 level before moving down right on the negative 0.236, basically right on the tick. You can see right over here, and then bounced off of that and then went on to the 0.236 again, and then bounced off of that and then went down to the negative 0.382, and then bounced off and then went on to the negative 0.236, and then went down to finally the negative 618. And so this is not a coincidence. There are institutions who are using trading bots to set buying orders and selling orders on these Fibonacci levels, and also professional trading people who understand that big money and institutions are trading on these Fibonacci levels. And so onto Elliott wave. So the way that I would count this is that this would be A, B, C. So I won't go through in detail. So I'll just point out the Elliott wave counts. So this will likely be an ABC over here. So the reason why I say this is because this is the ABC. So let's put this as the minuscule, so then it's more clear. And this is the ABC, and this is the ABC. So this ABC correction, it consists of three ABC. Is it three? Yeah, three ABC within its primary wave, and then this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might be an ABC. I'll just simplify it and I'll just say ABC. And this sort of structure would be I would personally count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will be ABC. ABC. And this would be another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope this makes sense. And to me, this entire count, this ABC, ABC, and ABC, this entire count would classify as a W. And then we went on to an X, and then Y. So Y, this is an X, so this would be, I would count this as ABC. And then this sort of structure right over here, this Y, it's a Y because this is an ABC. And this is an ABC because these are an ABC. And sort of ABC. I mean, it's debatable whether this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or ABC, but I would say this is a ABC. Maybe it's here. ABC like this. And then this would be the ABC. So this would be how I count this. This is my primary count, and that we are in a we ended this correction, and that we are in a impulsive wave up. But I mean, LDA waves are very subjective, and we could actually go down to the negative 786, or basically the 4.9k to 4.5k. We could go down to these levels because it depends on how you count this corrective structure. I mean, this could very well be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC, and then another double zigzag down to 4.5k. So 1, 2, we are currently in the 3, and then we will have a 4, and then a final 5 down to 4.5k. So yeah, so hopefully that is not the case, and we have finished the correction, and we will rally from here on to new highs. So my personal target for year end is 30k. So yeah, that's just a short video of how to use Fibonacci tools and LD waves in crypto markets.